The game of money isn't easy. It's tough, competitive, and ruthless. And if you don't know the rules, you are doomed to fail. The problem with most people is that they might work hard their entire lives, but end up poor at the end of the journey because they don't know how the game works. So if you want to find yourself on the other side of the coin, you better master the rules first.
Emakwaba bantwisisi nishota pride kuba ntlambi anifiti nthapi ngena studio nfika nsweka hiti loko numa ngena ndeka overall nkhoma piki nbasluka nyuma no teka phiki butsu iwoko lenga tsanda na polichi vaku dole dia Nebo nga swisisi ana usitivi ku rap ka mina hi career I hasili. Why? It's all about the money, money. It's all about the money, mali. Ni rana mhaka ku umani ntsena nkomba mali nga ku endlela xin'wana xin'wana. It's all about the money, money. It's all about the money, mali. Ni rana mhaka ku umani ntsena nkomba mali nga ku endlela xin'wana xin'wana. Money is the root of all evil, bohemba. Poverty is the root of all evil, nakujela. Longa teri malanga risiwana, loko arisiwana, hipsiwana, takupsiwana. Sula voya itumbuluka kuhluphekeni. Vusiwana bya khawada mhleketweni. Asolo vangi kwanya kahlo nga ri na penu, nga hlama loko vona swisiwana tiseleni. Why? It's all about the money, money. It's all about the money, mali. Ni rana mhaka ku umani ntsena nkomba mali nga ku endlela xin'wana xin'wana. It's all about the money, money. It's all about the money, mali. Ni rana mhaka ku umani ntsena nkomba mali nga ku endlela xin'wana xin'wana. Xin'wana xin'wana. It's all about the money.